6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power x is equal to 6 minus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024. We have to find the value of x. Let's solve it. So 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power x. Let's multiply it with 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024, and let's do the same on the right hand side also, so that we can balance the equation. So 6 minus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024 times 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024. Now we have an identity where a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So if 6 plus square root of 35 is a, so it is a raised to the power x times a raised to the power 2024. So we can write it as 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power x plus 2024. We add the exponents is equal to, again, if 6 is equal to a and square root of 35 is b, then it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. Also, we have an identity where a to the power m times b to the power m can be written as a times b whole raised to the power m. So we can write it as 6 minus square root of 35 times 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024. Now this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b times a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power x plus 2024 is equal to 6 square minus square root of 35 square and whole raised to the power 2024, or 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power x plus 2024 is equal to 6 square is 36 and square root of 35 square is 35, because this square and square root gets cancelled. So this is 36 minus 35 whole raised to the power 2024, or 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power x plus 2024 is equal to 1 raised to the power 2024, and that means 1. Now we know a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. How? Because a raised to the power 0, we can write it as a raised to the power 1 minus 1, and a raised to the power 1 minus 1 is a upon a. So this gives you 1. So a raised to the power 0 is 1. So that means x plus 2024 must be equal to 0, so that this whole equation becomes 1. So x plus 2024 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 2024. So this is our answer. You can check this answer by putting the value of x here. So let's do that. So 6 plus square root of 35, value of x is minus 2024 is equal to 6 minus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024. When we have negative exponent, that means this is 1 upon 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024 is equal to 6 minus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024. Now we can cross multiply. So 1 is equal to 6 minus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024 times 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024, or we can write it as 6 minus square root of 35 times 6 plus square root of 35 whole raised to the power 2024, or 1 is equal to, this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b, so it is 6 square minus square root of 35 square whole raised to the power 2024, or 1 is equal to 36 minus 35 whole raised to the power 2024, and that will be 1. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence our answer is correct. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.